Hello guys, today I'll be comparing Xfinity NOW TVs versus Hulu TV, and I'll be going through their strengths and weaknesses and watch to the end to know which live TV streaming service is more worth it for you. Xfinity NOW TV is a budget-friendly streaming service priced at around $20 to $25 a month, available exclusively to Xfinity Internet customers. It offers a curated lineup of over 40 to 125 live and on-demand cable channels, heavily weighted towards entertainment, lifestyle, and some news. A notable perk is the included Peacock Premium subscription, and while it provides 20 hours of cloud DVR and 3 simultaneous streams, key limitation is the absence of local broadcast channels such as ABC, CBS, Fox, and NBC, and most major sports networks, positioning itself as a supplementary service rather than a full cable replacement. Moving on, Hulu Plus Live TV is a comprehensive live TV streaming service that aims to be a full cable replacement, starting at around $83 per month. It offers over 100 channels, including major local networks, a wide range of news channels, and a robust selection of sports, including ESPN and other regional sports networks where available. Significant value proposition is the inclusion of the entire Hulu on-demand library, Disney Plus, and ESPN Plus in the base subscription. It offers unlimited cloud DVR storage and 2 simultaneous streams with an option to upgrade for more. Hulu Plus Live TV prioritizes a broad, all-encompassing content offering. Xfinity Now TV is ideal for current Xfinity Internet customers who seek a cost-effective way to supplement their streaming with a selection of live entertainment, lifestyle, and basic news channels. On the other hand, Hulu Plus Live TV is better for cord cutters seeking a complete cable TV replacement that includes major local networks, extensive sports coverage, and a wide variety of news and entertainment. I hope this video helps, and thank you for watching.